Always dedicated its services to the nation, maintaining exemplary standard of bravery and professionalism. It continues handling multifarious challenges involving national security, living up to the standard of the motto of the force, Jivan Parjant Kartavya. BSF Tripura Frontier has achieved several milestones during the preceding year 2021 while facing the serious constraints posed by COVID-19 pandemic situation prevalent both inside the state of Tripura as well as across the border in Bangladesh. Following are some of the important achievements of BSF Tripura Frontier during the preceding year 2021. Operational achievements. Under anti-insurgency front, during the year 2021, BSF Tripura Frontier maintained strong vigil on the borders to prevent trans-border movement of insurgents, particularly in the eastern part of the state. In view of the constant pressure and persuasion by BSF formations, 6 insurgents of NLF-TPM cadre surrendered before BSF Tripura Frontier during the year 2021, taking the total number of insurgents surrendered before BSF till date to 31. Under head Prevention of Trans-Border Crime and Seizure of Contraband Articles. During the year 2021, huge quantities of contraband items having total value of around 35.64 crores have been seized, which includes huge quantity of narcotic substances, including 88,417 number of Yava tablets worth rupees 3.81 crores, 13,206 kg of dry ganja worth rupees 9.34 crores, besides other articles including large number of cattle heads and other miscellaneous items.